topic today is ChatGPT being the new love of undergraduate students. Not that undergraduate students are the only ones using it. Most people use it, but we are trying to bring it to the environment where we are, how we use it, and what we should guard against. Hopefully this meeting will inform the general public and the ADUN community. So you are highly welcome, Dr. Mrs. Gladys Onyia, the University Librarian.
Thank you very much. We are beginning to see that it's a technology people find very easy to be doing things for you, especially our academics. The students would like to relax and then throw whatever assignment given to it for a robot. But note that robot has it lacks one particular thing. We are students, let me see your hands, if you can throw to us what it lacks. Robot lacks a basic thing of life. What? The brain, reasonably, your feelings, emotions, senses, Whatever you tell is that zombie, isn't it? It will help you reasonably. So know that you don't want to turn zombie. Where I'm driving at is, much as it will help you, you still have to augment what it will give you to get the best of you and to be at the top. Don't rely squarely on it, because I can see some students relaxing. That assignment, so that you can be driving everywhere. Please, let there be some reasonable degree of caution in the use of it. Try and look out for what it will benefit you. Maybe what you cannot do, or what it can help you do better than you can do with your senses. That has no sense, you should be able to moderate it to suit you and your environment, so that at the end you come out tops and the high flyer and the leader. I want to leave everything. You are in the best hands. Our lecturers are here, and we would like to learn more. I want to thank you for responding